Hi everyone, welcome back to one of my videos. Today I'm doing another recipe video and I am going to be making salsa, so I hope you'll enjoy. And also this is a new food processor, so I'm super excited to use it. So first I chopped up some tomatoes and measured out about 2 cups of them. And I put that in the food processor along with a clove of garlic. Then I chopped up half of an onion, just small enough for it to fit in the food processor. Then I added in the onion and 1 unseeded jalapeno into the food processor. Next, I added in a tablespoon of cilantro, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of lime juice. And those are all the ingredients. It looks so colorful and pretty. Then you just blend it in the food processor for however long, depending on how chunky or liquidy you want your salsa to be. Then just grab your tortilla chips and enjoy. Alright guys, that is it. Don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button down below. And I will see you in another one of my videos. Bye!